So here I have my Oreck Elevate Conquer vacuum, and I just want to do a quick tutorial on how to change the vacuum bag. So it's really pretty simple, but there are a few things you need to look out for. First thing first, you just unzip it here, little zipper on the front, and zip that down, and this part will flap forward. Now right here, there's a little plastic section that you need to make sure that you pull that down and not pull on the actual bag itself. And so when you do that, you'll hear a little pop, just like that. Then you pull it down, and what's nice about these bags and this vacuum in particular, right here there's a pull tab. When you start pulling it, you can see that this hole is starting to close up. And the nice thing about that is once it's fully closed, you know that you're not gonna be leaking out debris from whatever you vacuumed into your vacuum. So it's really nice for that. So then once you get to this point, there's a little hook right here. You just pop this section up, and then you pull the rest of it out, just like that. So then you can take it back to the trash can, throw it away. You don't have to worry about anything leaking right there. So then what you do, and the reason these are different colored bags, just so you know, this is a HEPA filter bag, so I'm going to go ahead and replace it with that. And so what you do right here, you can see that you've got the cardboard. You just basically line it up in this track here. There's a little track, you can kind of see the grooves. You put the cardboard right in there, and all you do is just slide it back, and then right here, this is going to pop right over that, just like that. And then all you have to do, once you're up to that step, push this back, make sure that it snaps back in place. You'll hear it snap here, just like that, and then you are good to go. All you have to do at this point is just go ahead and zip it all back up, and you're ready to rock and roll.